भैया
यार ओनली why are we calling? हाँ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್
ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
I've seen this guy somewhere, yeah.
ಹೌದಾ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವಿರೋರು?
ನಮ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬಸವನಗುಡಿ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋದು.
ಹೌದಾ ಹಾ ಹಾ ಹಾ
ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅವಳಿ ಜವಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು.
ಓ ಅವಳಿ ಜವಳಿನಾ? ಹಾ ಹಾ
I know this guy.
Flashback.
ಮೇಡಮ್ OTP
8217 ಅಣ್ಣ.
ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ದುಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ.
भैया कन्नड़ा नहीं, नो कन्नड़ा, हिंदी इंग्लिश.
बच्चा का स्कूल.
क्यों भैया, क्या हो गया?
वही मैडम फीस ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ओ फीस ज़्यादा है क्या?
मैडम
पैसा अच्छा पेमेंट कर दिया भैया, एक्स्ट्रा पेमेंट किया है, रख लो आप. आपका बच्चा के लिए स्कूल भेजना. हाँ वेट
ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಮೇಡम?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವಿನ್ನೂ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್, ಇನ್ನು ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
आप रोको तू यू जस्ट कीप इट. मेरे को यही
ये
कहानी
नहीं
बोल
sir,
के
you
I
know.
gave him $500 last time and he's telling me the same story this time also. Are you crazy to give him extra money?
ಸರ್ ಏನು ಸರ್ ಇದು?
भैया नहीं चाहिए. We are not even paying him for what we traveled so far. You just come with.
ಆಯ್ತು ಹೋಗಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
What you just saw was an enactment of real life incidents happening with the people of Bengaluru on the streets almost every day. Welcome to India Today So South with me, Sarah Fazil. And let me tell you that yes, you heard me right. Namma Bengaluru is witnessing such scams by auto rickshaw drivers through their sob stories. Just a couple of days ago, we had a Reddit user by the name Smart Zombie 2 who went on to share his encounter of being scammed by an auto rickshaw driver's sob stories, not once, not twice, but 4 times in 1 month. He went on to the platform and he wrote, "Happened with me 4 times in the last 1 month. You board an auto and suddenly the auto rickshaw driver starts crying. He starts telling you stories like, my wife and me are expecting twins, we don't have money to raise them, my mother's admitted in the hospital and I don't have money to pay for it." But the question that we're asking is, how authentic are these stories? Let's find out from the city of Bengaluru today that have they encountered such scams done by auto rickshaw drivers or their sob stories, and what really happened with them. So South came across a Reddit post shared by a user smart_zombie2 who spoke about people being fleeced by the emotional scam of auto drivers that the user fell a prey to as well. Soon after this, a sea of people begin to mention their encounters. A user by the name Outside Cellist mentioned how an auto driver spoke about his wife having twins in the area of HSR layout but couldn't get through the scam as the customer found out. Another user by the name Normal Instant 7430 spoke about an incident happening to the customer in HSR Cafe 27, where the auto driver started crying and speaking about his child being in the hospital battling for life. Soon as he was asked the hospital address in order to help him further, he just pushed off. A user by the name New Play Entered spoke about how this has happened once, where an auto guy tried to speak about a surgery that was scheduled, it was costly, and had to beg and borrow money, which was for his daughter. And soon as this person heard the story, he ended up paying him 500 rupees, only to find him 2 years later telling him the same story yet again, to realize that it was a scam. We went around the city of Bengaluru to ask people if they have encountered such emotional stories by auto drivers which turned out to be scams. Let's find out what they said.
Hi, this is Varna here. So once I was coming back home from Church Street only, and he said that his daughter is in the hospital and he was admitted and he needed like 2,000 rupees. And he actually needed more, and I don't know why I fell for it. I felt really bad and I actually gave him like 1,000 rupees. And I come home and my mom's like, "You idiot, that was not, why, what were you thinking?" Yeah, then she's like, "Be careful because these are like tactics that people use to trap you." And
ಆಟೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಸರಿ ನನಗೂ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು, ನನ್ನ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲೈಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು, ನಾನು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಒಂದು ಆಟೋನೂ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟು. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ 4 ಆಟೋನ ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಟೋನು ಬಂದರೆ ಆದರೆ ನನಗೆ 200 rupees, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ 100 rupees ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನನಗೆ 200 ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ. ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಾನು ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನ ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು, ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆದರೂ ನನಗೆ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಹೋಗಲೇಬೇಕಾಯಿತು, ಹೋದೆ.
वो हम भी मेरा लड़की भी ऑटो में जाकर रहा, वो की भी मेरा दोस्त भी रहा. 3 आदमी हॉस्पिटल को जाने के टाइम वो लोग बोले उसका बच्चा वो क्या बोलता चिल बोलता ना, वो मुंह में डाल को बहुत डेंजर में आया. 2 आदमी बोलिया, उसका वाइफ भी बोलिया साथ में रहा, वो फ्रंट में बैठ कर रहा. हम बोलिए क्या हो गया, नहीं इतना पैसा चाहिए हमारे कने पैसा नहीं है कर को बोलिया. हम भी मेरा फ्रेंड भी थोड़ा 500 मिल को हम दे दिया. अब बच्चे को कम आई कर को बोलिया. कितना पूछा मेरे को, बोलिया वो 10 का ऊपर पूछा, मेरे कने नहीं है दीदी कर को बोलिया. मैं भी 500, मेरे फ्रेंड भी 500 दे दिया. मेरा लड़की 200 डाल को माँ दे दो माँ ये बच्चे कर को बोल रहा है कर को हम दे दिया.
Close to my house, I hailed an auto. I got in and he started saying, "Hello ma'am, you remember me?" And I said, "I'm afraid not." And he said, "Well, I used to be at the cashier of Canara Bank." So I said, "What are you doing driving an auto?" And he said, "Well, I have a very sad story because my mother had cancer and now my wife is pregnant and she has fallen and I badly need money and look at my eyes, so red because I'm working day and night. Ma'am, will you give me some loan and I will pay you back." And I fell for it. "I don't have money on me, I'll draw the cash and give it to you." And then he stopped near a petrol station bunk. I said, "Why are you going there?" And he says, "There's an ATM here." And at that point, I was not sure of his intentions. I had thought of, I don't like to say the amount I paid, but was substantial. So in my mind, I halved the amount. And I said, looks to me not a very genuine story, or I have an element of doubt. So I got off and I kept that money.
Yeah, hi, I'm Palak Agarwal. So there was this incident that happened. I was going back my home, and the auto driver, he was all wounded. So he told me that he doesn't have money, and from the morning he hasn't got rides and all, and he needs money to actually go to the hospital. And apparently his daughter was also admitted to the hospital. I told him that okay, because I was really seeing him wounded, so I thought that I'll go to the hospital with him and pay the bills or arrange for some medicines. But he completely denied and said no, it's very far and he has some so some small work, he has to go his home and this and that. But I still insisted that okay, I will give money, but he kept insisting on, can you just give me money, I will do. So that's how like all these kind of scams are happening these days.
Let me just tell you that what you just heard and saw are not just some mere instances of people speaking about emotional scams done by auto drivers on social media. But So South's ground report also spoke to the citizens of Bengaluru who shared similar encounters of being fleeced by the emotional stories of auto rickshaw drivers and getting tricked into it. But here, we're not making a generalization saying that every auto driver in the city of Bengaluru is of this nature, but there are a few exceptions who are indulging in such tactics and tricking people. Do let us know if you have encountered such similar incidences and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the bell icon. You're watching India Today So South with me, Sarah Fazal.